This is my old TV. It's a Sony KDS-R60XBR1. Bought this one in 2005. I think it just went bad because the bulb broke, and you can tell the bulb is bad if you press on power, and it's going to flash green. Normally it's going to go steady green and turn the TV on, but it's going to go flashing red. That means the lamp has expired. I need to replace the lamp. Okay, the first part is I'm going to take out the lamp that's bad. So it's located on the right hand side of the TV, on the side. You can see here there's a little screw. I'm going to take the screw off on the side. Okay. After you open that up, there's a little thing you just push. Okay, just push and pull it out. Okay, so you take the bad lamp out. Okay, so I found out the lamp that I need is the Sony XL-5100, and I got it today. I'm going to open the box and put the lamp in the TV. Take it out from the box. Go to the old place on the side of the TV. Okay. And I'm going to put the lamp in. Push it in. You have to lift it up and push all the way in. Put the flap back on. And then screw it back in. Okay, I've closed up the side panel. Now I'm going to try to turn on the TV, and you will see that the light will flash and it should go steady green, which it did, and here we go. Here's the picture. The TV's back up and working. Thank you for watching.